really soon, and also my brother's birthday. So, do you want to make some decorations for Halloween? Because I do. So, I'm going to tell you how you can make a hanger. You have seen those birthday lights that we stick on the wall and on birthdays, like behind me. Like those, they are not going to sparkle, but they're just going to be really spooky. So let's start. First, I'm going to tell you what you need. You'll need a white plain paper with no lines on it, and you can draw some ghosts with horrifying faces or cute faces. And you'll need some scissors, snip, snip, and you'll need a hole puncher and some thread. Yeah, so let's start. First, you take the scissors and cut all of the ghosts out. And guys, I really forgot that you all have to make these by your own hands, so it could be much funner because I made this by myself. So let's cut them up. And guys, make sure to be really gentle and please take your time. Cut very gently. It's getting cut. You can cut all of the ghosts. It's taking a lot of hard time. After this, guys, when you have cut one ghost, you have to make sure the edges, see the edges are looking really bad. Some of them are fat marker lines, and some of them are really not fat. So yeah, so that's why you'll have to smooth the surface up and make sure everything is same. So when you first cut out the ghost, I made. Here you go, guys. It's really hard. Oh my god. Guys, I was almost about to make it ruined. Here you go. I got it. Okay. Now I've cut it. So cute. Now I just have to smooth the edges. I can just remove the black. I have to be really gentle. Guys, tell me in the comments, do you like Halloween? Because I love Halloween. Because always, I'm telling something that my brother's birthday, come on. I made a small mistake, so I actually removed the black line. So the black line looks really cute, so that's why I have to make it again. But guys, don't make this mistake. I just made it accidentally. I'm not gonna do the same with the other goat because it's gonna take, I guess, 2 hours to do that. So also, don't do the mistakes that I make. Oh my god, I make so many mistakes every time in the videos. Here you go. Yes, finally. And guys, these are cute ghosts. Not really horrifying and horror that much. So I really like cuteness, and I don't want the people that comes in my brother's birthday get horrified that horror ghost, oh my god, run, like that. So cute ghost. Yeah. Here, yeah. Cut all of these. This time I have to make sure that I don't cut the black part. Guys, it will take 3 hours for me to make this. Because you just have to take your time. I'm cutting all of them because it should be not just one ghost, it should be all of the ghosts, of course. Guys, I have made all of the ghosts and I have also cut them. They're all of, I'm going to show you. They're stacked. So here they all are. They're stacked, so that's why they're really much looking. So yeah, I've cut them all, and then I'm going to tell you what do you have to do next. Then after that you have cut them, you have to take a hole puncher, and you have to take a hole puncher and then hole punch their hand. It's really nervous doing on. If you do, I didn't think I should do it, guys. Because, oh my gosh, that did now let me press it. Oh my god, it's so hard. Okay, done. Okay, I have hole punched this one. You only have to do it on one arm. Done. The last one is done. And guys, you can see I've done all of them. Now, the last thing we have to do, you have to take the black thread and then roll it big. As you can see, I have take the thread, and now what you have to do is that put the thread through. Oh my gosh, so hard. Put the thread through this hole, and you can see they're floating like this. See? This way. And now you can do all of that. So guys, I have put these three. Here it is. I have finally did it, and we're going to stick it on the wall now. Oh, let's go to the wall. Careful. So guys, I have done sticking them on the wall. It looks so cute, Halloween decoration. It's like they're flowing like crazy, like this. We're ghosts, like this. It's so cute. They're white, so it's like they're flying. And guys, if you even like choose like a different color, like guys, you can also make this like this. And if you want to make them like they're flowing and they're real ghosts, like they're flying, then if your walls are white like mine, you can also take a white thread and make it like they're actually flying, not like they're hanging on this, but I really like they're hanging. Okay, let me start. Hickory dock, the mouse is on the clock. The clock turns one. Boom! Was it that scary? Tell me in the comments. So I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, don't forget to like to my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. So every time I put a new video, you get a notification. So ghosts, do you want to make one more video? Oh yeah. Okay. So they're saying they're going to go outside now and check if anybody else is watching this video. And also it's the Halloween, guys, and I have to say something. Happy Halloween, guys. I hope you enjoy the Halloween. So I'm going to go and make some more things for our Halloween.